The Lay's interview was therapeutic for me. For the very first time, I could just say, yes, I fucked these guys. Yes, I fucked them all. Like, I fucked them all. KOG, Samyuku, Maya, Kojo saying, Lexis Bill Karami, I fucked him before. She's not so good in bed. Victoria Lebanese husband, Nkonkonsa. I don't know, I can't get myself to fuck him. But gosh, that guy likes pussy so good. Like, you are married now. Every day you're in my DM. You want to come and see me. You want to come and see me for what? As for text me and you, it won't happen. It won't happen. Unfortunately, when I met you, I think one time KOD saw the two of us working together. And I was saying, hey, what are you doing, my small boy? Since I was going to make you with this show. What are you doing, my small boy, Eugene? See, it just stuck in my head, like it just registered in my head, like if I ever fuck this in Cancer boy, if I fuck Eugene in Cancer, like it will hit KOD. And like at that time, it's like KOD, like we had me at that point in time, I felt I was in love, and he too, he made me feel like he's in love. And he always used to say that, okay, he's bipolar like me, and he's a Capricorn and I'm Aquarius. So January born, so I've realized that I really connect like on a different level with January borns. My first boyfriend was a January born. Like, it took a very long time for me to forget that motherfucker, but I've forgotten him now. I'll tell you about him later on. Yeah, so that was the first time I was like, you know, I could say from the like top of my chest, yes, I fucked them. Yes, we fucked. Yes, we fucked. And so what? Like, why should I be criticized? If anything, first of all, people should just mind their business. Yes, I fucked like over, maybe I'm getting close to 100 guys all my life. But mind your fucking business. Mind your fucking business. I enjoy sex. That's why I have it. I enjoy it. That's why I have it. And you know, some people, I always want to have sex with someone I'm attracted to. You know, as I said, you know, I don't have like a very face spec or something. I don't have a very face. My spec B has come to my head. My spec B has come to my head. Right, today, the list to know. Mami Papa Penny Pambra. List no. Make sure Obiediya. Then I'll talk about, you know, what I learned from the person, what I didn't like about the person, what I hope the person will change about themselves. But I was never able to tell them. Really, show was therapeutic for me. Like, there's so many things that I've wanted to get off my chest. Because when I have a relapse, people don't know what happens to me. Like, when it starts, it's like 1 week straight. The very first time, 1 week straight, I hadn't slept. It was just after my birthday. I think the boy I was dating at that time, he had disappointed me, and like my crush, like my there was spiritual husband. I thought that guy was my spiritual husband, and I really saw him. When I met him, he told me he was engaged, and I also had a boyfriend who was fooling at that time, was just being a stupid bastard. Man's wife, if you ever see this video, I'm not saying this to break up your marriage. No. I can never break a marriage. And your husband, I don't know, you know, I always say that depending on who you are, you see a certain version of me. And I think when I was with Ben Pokofo, he's warned me not to mention his name anywhere. Every night when I spent time with Ben, it was like I was sitting with Nelson Mandela or with Kwame Nkrumah or with Aristotle or Socrates, like somebody of wisdom. I always wanted to pass my exam. Like I wanted to always get like a 4.0 or something, just to come and show Ben, like, you know, I did so well, and I'm just like so happy when I'm done. I'll go to medical school and do gynecology. I'll be working for, you know, the WHO, you know, changing things in the science field, you know. Yeah, that's what your girl wants to do. And he always encouraged me. He always encouraged me. The people that I admired from a distance. Oh, who? Let me start with me. I went to Legon before I went to UCC, so I always had like a soft spot for people who were Legon students. So let's say Giovanni. I know Giovanni was a former student of Legon, and I think I left Legon because I trafficked heroin to the US, so I had to be in detention. MDC, Brooklyn people, shout out. So I was at Metropolitan Detention Center. I was Brooklyn. My papa heroin I made it back with I've been here 45,000. And maybe I am saying 45,000 US dollars. So. But that's, you know, that one to me. That one, I think it was also meant to happen. That night, I think I was having a relapse, but that's how my life has been designed. So there was nothing I could do about it. Like Samuel Uku, I think he was youth leader or something. But when this man talks on radio, on TV, and I listen to him, like, this is an intelligent man. This is a well-informed man. I admire him. I hope MPP takes him up the ranks. And I don't even know how we met. They came for oh yes, I'm not having a relapse. So I'm telling you that after Delay's show, no, I have the confidence to talk about things that I need to talk about, but I don't talk about because I fear. Delay show ni kra me kwa koye no. Yema yi kojo yang sen frame me. Ese o mama word of caution say what to say. Samuel Uku ni bodyguards bi ayebo mudin for Mary House hwan or your investigation be, they mentioned those two men inside their names, that they were involved in some missing people in Ghana, like politicians who, those that were just vanishing. Those people's names were mentioned, so I have to be careful, because if I go to the late show and I go and say anything, I'll just be sitting there and I'm gone, and I'm my own mother's only daughter. So I was scared. I'm like, hey, na yari ben kra na menya na menyo bi koye bibia fe de na me ba be kan ho asem wa bontin yari ben kra ni na de bia na mi su na me bonya me so bo den. If we lived in a society where men and women have equal rights when it comes to sex. And can you think it will be an issue? It won't be an issue, because the manic episode, I almost died. I almost committed suicide. The way Ghanaians crucified me. And then the men too were given platforms. Sami Oku, you went to sit somewhere to say that I'm a mad girl writing stories. Can you follow me to Antwerp to go and say that you've never slept with me before? Sami Oku, you said I'm a mad girl on radio. Hey, you, I respected you so much. Hey, nami buo, papa. Me say, hey, we have a good future leader coming. I respected you. And I make up on half of these people. I mean, when I meet people, I see you like no. I don't have time to go and research about you, because I believe say Michelle before for no matter the question the person asks me, it is what I want the person to know about me. And I make her. And to me inquiries about men that I meet every day. Now me making a decision, and you feel some akutiti. Won't say more, baby. And see, I didn't put America. Today's interview, like, it's opened me up. Like, fuck all these niggas. I didn't put a gun to anybody's head to come and have a thing to do with me. I didn't have any legal contracts with you that once I've had sex with you, I can't go and see it anywhere. Me na ma having sex with you, and I am a day, and I say I am a day, and I may say me catch you bia, and also only me sign. Let's say what's a me who me share what dream and me wo me man me share me say cow na introduce me mao. Me say me SRC dreams you cry me. At least I can learn something from this man, because me say. I'm not much me politics. Means I'm so yes of me. But I know I'm a woman with a voice. Me nya relapse I'm a bo. Sami Okudin pe. Ena semi ko bri girls. If you are to chief bani ni no. Chief bani cry clear. Chief bani ni no. Or buy me cast me whom you see me a few brig girls. Mammy make a saya or say I dare chin or say me making statements my joy joy news for say I say mammy kind no crabby nim, and I'm say hey mammy Jaisa. Why would I, at that time like I was still hyper. I was like, why would you want me to do that? To lie that I am not sick. And everything that I said is a lie. Me on a normal day, if you follow me on Snap or you are my friend, every day, if I'm having good dick in my life, you will know about it. So when I have a relapse, it's like, what do you call it? Drop the mic on like all the niggas you've been with, how good or bad it was. Now I've so bad be comfort. See, ubia onya bipolar episode. Only maybe a picture. Now I could post it. Say Ghana web say himfa. Politicians, I'm about politicians and businesses, I'm about. You don't do anything in the community as you are supposed to do. Now I could now and I'm with pictures be brave. A kaka celebrities are on your donation. Oton so packs in so in so if you're not if you put that if you put enemy be a picture and no need jumbo edu me am no me be away omo 1005 share me sa that can me ye ashre cocktails for Ogasco 4 no Ogasco 4 ni Ogasco 4 girls na make omo ye ejuma mama me no omo meti omo sen. Now mo just makobo mo boss di makobo Sami Okudin na mo bremi scanner makama no atuma 1005. I mean, that time they can put not manic entity female see. They should have even focused on taking me to a hospital or something. Oh no, take this money tomorrow. Joy people will call you so that you make your statements. Nobody called me. The next morning, Abena Korkor apologizes for mentioning Joy a multimedia. That was their headline. They were paid to put that headline there because the reporter bia and be interview me, and I'm young kasa me post on me page. A very day now we who say I apologized. There's a lot of news in Ghana here. People have just been paid to write it. People have just been paid. You know, mo post this story anyway, and chebia neja. Same thing campaign be because yes, see as mom say me best campaign. Me Abena Korkor. Now me police is calling me every. It was just my relapse. It's quite unfortunate say. Munna da ye wie bibia madam fu bia me ne wo ho bia munna obi a be nickname mu bia kojo ya say I'm finished sugar KOD chocolate asabi dey say Diane asabi never slept with me. We didn't sleep or anything. He used to call me Margaret Thatcher. I think he's one of the only people that saw me how I saw myself. Margaret Thatcher. My campaign or designing your mama me. Oh, I go for the winning crown for mommy. Way by inauguration. Let me say, in some as an intimacy. Oh, now I also know like oh nyansa mommy. Because no you're straightforward and then yeah. Or you made this, oh maybe I'm interested in you. Say, oh, your campaign I'm here, I'm not interested. Oh, I'll support your campaign. And it wasn't like say, oh mommy ska. Oh mommy nyansa. Graphic designer, yeah maybe bia or your flyers brand me. He didn't give me any physical cash, but he was supporting a young girl's political dream. And it will make me respect him for a very long time. Oh my cano. When you say my worry, say me put me be seduce you more. No matter music more. It's morning yeah. The young, beautiful, beautylicious women that you see around them. You can go ahead and fuck them, but add value to the encounter. Add value to the encounter. Add value to the encounter. Then again, like a new beer, but think about that. Midi ni dia mau. Aro me ho amau. Ebie me nemu amau. Anyway, ye bibi amau ho esane wo. Me da se cry me se won kebi. Na sa sika na mwewie ane ade no na wama ombema sa peanuts. One or two people will and they will give you a sika or the bibi papa. Ghanaian politicians, most of them, all they will show you is their dick. My apple. Mediti Maya. I said Giovanni no car Giovanni, it wasn't you know, I respect your family and everything, but you're part of my story, like whether you like it or not, you always be part of the Abena Korkor story. Do you get it? Until I die, all of you men, you are part of my journey. You are part of my journey. I'm actually going to be doing an episode of Date Rash with Giovanni. And that one, like, we're all acting like we don't have issues with him. Me, I didn't have any issue with him. I'm sure he didn't have any issue with me. So why will the two of us will do Date Rush episode together? I think they'll show it the last but one. I'm also celebrity edition. Me na me and baje elekem na ye and bemaje. Na wait me my Date Rush recording for fair. Where we Eddie, you're somebody's husband and father, so I want to insult like the way I wanted to insult like using a fresh as nigga spirit, but in all things, there's an episode of Date Rush that's me and Giovanni we did, and like it's a celebrity edition. And we are supposed to do a donation afterwards. Yeah, you better not to reason to know. I'm saying my for the Date Rush, I'm saying 1,000. And I'm going to donation. Say so that it looks like Date Rush is giving back to the community. You see, they are going to donate 1,000 cedis. 1,000 cedis normally my individual no. And no has 1,000 cedis no. Na de pakoma. A whole psychiatric hospital. Na sisi ano psychiatric hospital video no. Afianse kwakoye. Sisi a many TV3 ye do me bio. Question I'm busy almost say I'm not fit to be on the ladies circle. Reason you have not told me. I'm not fit to be on the proposed Ghana's most strongest and the proposed red room. But Date Rush Nadia, I'm fit for it to be shown. Na Miss Anzonkoye donation in Kaho. Say video no minimum manko donation there the same way. Now 1,000, forget about 1,000 cities. Rush energy for most Date Rush money is carry brave film. Now more ye to say thank you 1,000 cities. Some more ye cheap. Me na be man a month 2,000 cities pay. I me koto anasimba atare ba ko. Says can sasa. This we go by. They want you to wear this. They want you to wear this. They want you to wear this. We didn't force us some small cry after you who's you. Hey, media James and we ran medium one like it's a room one oh sikadada. Like for the first time, like I could actually say, yes, I love sex. And I wasn't ashamed for it. I wasn't thinking about, hey, what would this person think? Hey, I got a video I say, oh, hey. We all have sex. Sex is a natural physiological function like eating, bathing, having intercourse. It's a physiological function of your genitals. And having great orgasms, that's something for your body. This is why it's there. So I say, I could see some naba. Nah, you see, you why answer, idiot. But sex is good. And it will be a natural talent. Or, I mean, I say my talent. I know my talent, but it's something that gives me fulfillment. Like, it's one of the things that puts me at peace. And I'm intrigued by it. Like me, I don't judge when it comes to sexuality. I watch gay porn. I appreciate, like, I just understand what they're trying to feel. And when you watch gay porn, you even realize that they moan in the gay porn, like men moan, like the way they moan, their moaning is different though. Heterosexual sex, men don't even moan like that.